Hey, this is Chantel at WTI. Are you looking for canisters to hold different things on your countertops so they're more easily accessible? These canisters by 10 Strawberry Street have been a great addition to my kitchen. I really love the design of this 3-piece canister set. The diamond gray is just so beautiful. It matches really well in my kitchen. I love that there are 3 different sizes and that I can have them right out on the counter and be able to get what I need when I'm cooking. I also really appreciate that each of the lids has a nice rubber seal around it to make sure that everything stays fresh. I also really love that they are easy to slide across my counter without adding any damage to the countertops. And I am just very happy with my purchase and definitely recommend these canisters by 10 Strawberry Street. Such a beautiful design and I've just been really happy with them, but that's just my point of view.